Size with a quarter. Size with a quarter. Sheldon size with a quarter. Okay. Wait, don't go off the floor. Go over here. Now, the concerns I have is for Spike's back. I'm kind of multitask with these guys. Okay. Sheldon's back. See the little and the other concern I have is with him. Let's see if I can get it. This plexus. Starts probably right about here that you can feel it soft. Is that supposed to be moving? Like that. And then these little white spots. I can get it in a different light without losing the other turtles. Head back. Back. Like, there's one on this side. There's three on this side. And it's this plexus. They're not really raised, I don't think. There's the side of you. Very active. Doesn't seem to be bothering him. But I'm curious of what they are. This one looks a little raised, but I think that's just that little black dot underneath it. Like, I don't think it's raised. Oh, that might be a little raised, but I think it's just like this black dot. It just starts there, so I think it's an illusion. It looks flat. Cancer and other serious illnesses. Guide dogs for the blind, they do great stuff. I don't know, but I'm worried about that flexion. Very active. In a smaller tank than they probably should be in, but that's what I have right now. This is Cindy Lou. Her stripes aren't nearly as yellow as Spike's. Very active. Hey, she looks good. I don't see any white spots on her whatsoever. Well, there might be a sort of one. Never noticed it before. I think it's just the light on it. But hers flexes too. And it really moves. Not nearly as bad as as Spike's. But and her belly looks really good. All right, you brave and funny woman. Let's find out. Is Joan Rivers smarter than a fifth grader? And then Sheldon. Move, Ted. Back. Oh, those two are Mississippi maps. Back, Ted. And this is red ear slider. And he looks really good. Sheldon, hold still. His back shell moves just a little bit, not as much, but it's flexed. Cut into quarters, 4 times 4 is 16. I would say that is true. Well, that's the 3 of them. Very active. Love hanging out together. His belly looks pretty good. All those white spots. And his belly looks, I think, good. Why is that spot feeling? Anything on the belly that I should be concerned about? Hi there, Spike!